What if you could have the elegance of a luxury limousine and the heart of a supercar? The 2026 Audi S8 isn't just a sedan. It's a high-tech, high-speed masterpiece. But does it truly rule the road? Let's break it down. Jaw-dropping performance. Under the hood, the 2026 S8 packs a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8. Now tuned to a mind-blowing 600 horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque. With quattro all-wheel drive and predictive air suspension, it rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, faster than most sports cars. Luxury interior. Step inside and you're greeted by hand-stitched Valcona leather, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The Audi virtual cockpit and dual touchscreen MMI system with AI voice control make it feel like a spaceship. And with the Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, every drive is a concert on wheels. Next level safety and tech. This isn't just fast, it's smart. The 2026 S8 offers Level 3 autonomous driving, night vision assist, and AI-powered safety systems, making it one of the safest and most advanced sedans on the road. Is the 2026 Audi S8 the ultimate luxury performance sedan? With its supercar speed, ultra-luxury cabin, and futuristic tech, it's a strong contender. But what do you think? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.